And I want to do a huge shout out to Wide Body Mopar Mike and his buddy Kevin. Well, both are my buddies too, but I want to deeply thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys came in here, took over from the slow work that I was doing, really kicked it into high gear. You know, we got it done. You know, it did take us, you know, after you guys got here, probably what, 4 or 5 hours maybe after you guys got here. And, you know, I did about an hour or two work before y'all got here. But I really do appreciate you two coming in, stepping in, taking over, getting this build done. I really do appreciate it. Now, on to the video. All right, folks, quick introduction. I know y'all been waiting on this video. I'm gonna throw it together really quick. It's almost 6 o'clock Saturday evening right now. So I'm gonna try and put this together, try and get it up as soon as possible, because I know you guys are waiting on this. So I'm gonna grab me a quick bite to eat, be editing video while I'm eating, and try and get this uploaded as soon as possible. Thanks for waiting. All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. Hey, it's Saturday morning and it's time to put this Procharger on old shake and bake. So we got everything ready, everything laid out. You guys saw that. You saw the inventory, you saw the unboxing. So we got it all set up here. All right, first thing we want to do, if you guys have a shaker, you're gonna want to remove the shaker, remove the intake, and then also the throttle body. So I already got the shaker off. I'm working on the bracket, the bottom part of the shaker and the bracket. So just to take a quick look, that's what we're working on. So we're just gonna get right into this video. So no playing around, because this is gonna take a while. So stay tuned. I'm gonna be coming in and out, doing the major steps, not step by step. All right, so be back in a second. All right, folks, here we got the shaker removed as well as the air filter. You got to get all that stuff out of the way. Then you come back and now you got to start working on the front fascia. So that's the next piece, is getting this front fascia off. So you got to take the tires off. There's some pins in there. You got to get up underneath. You got to take the two cladding, the front and the back cladding off. So we're going to do that, and we'll show that to you in a minute. All right, folks, we got all kinds of stuff going on. People mowing grass and neighbors talking, but hey, we got the front fascia off, and we also got the coolant drain. So let's take a look. Like I said, I'm going to show you the big pieces, not the little pieces to get you there. The book shows you that. The book does a pretty good job of showing you, pretty good job of showing you everything you need to do. But that's what shake and bake look like now. So once we get a few more things taken off, we'll do another quick run through, and then start putting stuff on. All right, folks, we just got done with probably the scariest part of this whole installation. That's pinning the crank. So we'll show you here in a sec. Boom, there we go. All right, all you do is put the jig in there, make sure you measure out, make sure you got the right measurement, drill it in, put the pin in there, put it back together. Just that simple. All right, that's one of the other major parts. We'll be back in a minute. All right, everybody, next thing is the bracket. So the main thing with the bracket, you want to make sure you get the right spacers and the right screws, because if you screw that up, you're going to screw things up. So make sure you get the right spacers with the right screws. Take your time, double check, make sure you got everything right, and just throw it on there, and we'll wait for the next big step. All right, folks, it's really getting real now. We got the head unit on. Mike, my master mechanic. All my mechanics are named Mike. I don't know how I wound up doing that, but just putting the pulleys back on, and we're gonna put on the belt, put everything back together, put the intercooler in the front, and we'll call it a day. All right, folks, back with the next update. Now we got the intercooler in. Well, I say Mike. Got the intercooler in, got the piping done, got the throttle body back on. So we're getting there. Slow but sure, but we're getting there. Mike's doing an outstanding job, man. He came with his whole bag of tools, because if he hadn't, we'd still be here trying to get the fascia off, because there was a couple nuts up in there that, man, they're like impossible to get to. But we're getting there, folks, so be back with the next update. All right, folks, we're back with another update. So we got the coolant tank moved. Again, we got her all plumbed up over there. Mike's just finishing up doing the injectors, because you're gonna need new injectors, because more air, you gotta have more fuel. So gotta update those injectors. So just a real quick update on a few things we got done, and we'll be back when we got some more stuff finished. All right, folks, one note for you guys with shaker hoods, and this is just specifically the shaker hoods, and I'm not sure if this is in the instructions. I don't remember seeing it, but it may be. But what you're gonna have to do is, there's a little leg right here on the very front passenger side that you're gonna have to cut off. And the reason why you got to cut that off is because they moved the coolant tank over to that side of the vehicle, and the shaker, the platform won't go flat because this leg hits the coolant reservoir. So you got to cut that leg off. So if you got shaker, that's what you got to do. All right, folks, so we got it all together. Well, she's still apart, but we got everything we need together to do a test run. We went ahead and did the fuel pump, got the fuel pump done. We're gonna go back here. Matter of fact, let's hear the Procharger start up. Ladies and gentlemen, watch out. Shake and Bake's got boost. You got boost, Shake and Bake's got boost. Using those helical gears nice and quiet. All right, folks. Alright, we're going to go ahead and button everything back up, put her all back together. We'll do another start, and then maybe go for a trip around the block. Alright, folks, hey, we're kind of on our maiden road test voyage. Taking her out, letting the Procharger run a little bit. I don't know if you can hear the whine. You can just barely hear it if you listen hard enough. So we are on the base tune, right? We're on a startup tune, so can't go too overboard. Jay's keeping me in check for sure. But we'll get up here a little bit, you know, give her a little goose. She feels normal right now. Not sure if you can hear the Procharger. It's whining a little bit out there. I think you can hear it better when I'm at a stop than when I'm moving. Alright, we're out on the open road a little bit. Oh man, shake and bake, boy. We're gonna be out there hurting some feelings for sure, no doubt about that. Ooh, I'm just sorry, just sitting here taking it in, folks. I know I'm being quiet, but yeah, like I said, not sure if you can hear it. You can barely hear the whine because I got those quiet gears, but you can hear it. You just can't hear it inside as much. So like I said, we just got wrapped up doing a test drive. I'm gonna go grab something to eat, doing a quick one of the driving around logs for Jay, and then we'll take her back home. So that's gonna do it for this one, folks. If you're stopping in for the first time, check out the rest of the channel, the rest of the videos. If you like what's going on with the channel, do me those 4 things. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and shoot me a comment. So until next time, adios.